Hello, and welcome to EcoCart's installation video. This video will go over how to install EcoCart's Shopify app into your Shopify store. You're going to want to first find our app within the Shopify App Store by either searching for it in the search bar or coming directly from our website. Once you find it, you're going to want to add the app. You're going to confirm the install. We are going to first fill out some basic information about our store to help accurately calculate the carbon emissions of your store's orders. We automatically pull the majority of the information we need. You just need to input the average weight of the items in your store. This serves as a backstop for our algorithm in case we aren't able to pull the item weight data, which doesn't happen very often. Next, we're going to be choosing who's paying for the offsets. Now you, as the company, can offer your customers the ability or option to make their orders carbon neutral at checkout, or you can opt to make all of your orders carbon neutral on behalf of your customers at no cost to them. We're going to click save, see a success message here. And to finish setting up our account, we are going to go navigate over to EcoCart's dashboard by clicking here. As you can see here that your shop URL will be auto-filled for you already. All you have to do is fill out some basic information such as your name, email address, and password, and create an account. Next step is to go to the billing tab and fill out your billing info, which is securely stored through Stripe. But don't worry, EcoCart is still free for you as the merchant. We just need to collect the carbon offset fees on our behalf, and we'll be collecting those from you every 2 weeks on a regular billing cycle period. You fill out your billing information and click save. You will be prompted back to your Shopify dashboard with this link. First, let's choose where the EcoCart box will live within your cart page with these 3 placement fields at the bottom of the customization settings tab. I'll walk you through an example here. So say in our sample shop, you'd like the EcoCart box to appear in this white space here above subtotal. All you have to do is find a CSS selector that you can use to key off of to insert EcoCart into the page. First, right-click on the text about subtotal and click inspect, and I'm using Google Chrome. This will allow you to see the code behind the cart page. If you hover over that text, you can see the div container that this text lives in. You can also see that this class is named cart-subtotal. It's important to make sure this class is unique on the page. The way to do a simple check on this is to copy it and search for it by Control F and paste it. When I do that, I can see the only place that cart-subtotal exists is right here, which means it's unique. 2 quick helpful tips here. If you happen to have a 2-part class name, such as, see here, additional dash checkout dash buttons space additional dash checkout, etc., you're going to want to remove everything after the space and again double check that it is unique within the page. So now we go back to customization settings, and in the element query selector for placement, we're going to paste that class name. You need to put a period before that in order to specify it's a class, and that's just standard CSS notation. So we can choose to put it before, after, prepend, append, or replace the contents entirely. Now in this case, we want to place EcoCart before the cart-subtotal and click save. If you don't feel comfortable doing any part of this on your own, don't worry. EcoCart is a Shopify partner, and we can take care of the entire configuration for you. All you have to do is reach out to us at support@ecocart.io, and we'd be happy to help out. So by default, this is how the EcoCart box will look within your store. If this works for you, all you have to do is enable EcoCart in the account settings, and you'll be all set up. Finally, we'll go back and check that that worked within our store. And sure enough, EcoCart shows up right above the subtotal button text. A helpful tip is that if the checkout information of your cart page is condensed over to one side of the page, similar to this, rather than more elongated throughout the entire page, with our default view, what you could end up with is something that looks a little bit like this. Now, of course, this isn't ideal. So in order to solve for this, what we've created is a folder within the content package that we initially send over in our welcome email that contains alternate designs that are specific to this situation. Now, all you have to do is copy and paste this code into the customization settings of your EcoCart Shopify dashboard, and you'll end up with something that looks a little bit more conducive to your cart page. So that's it. Now your customers can make their orders carbon neutral, and if they select to do so, EcoCart will show up as an additional product in their cart. You also have full control of the HTML and CSS to change the EcoCart box to however best reflects your shop's brand and look and feel. If you would like to customize the box, simply check no to using EcoCart's default view, and some nifty code boxes will appear. There are 3 different widget previews, so you can change how the box looks while calculating the cost of making the order carbon neutral when displaying the carbon neutral order total, and the look for the box when it's checked that their order has been made carbon neutral. For example, you can change the text, or even the color, or you can change the look completely. We've seen a lot of creative integrations, and here's an example of one of our customers that opted for a far more minimalist design. Now, if you have any familiarity with HTML and CSS, this will look native to you. If not, we're happy to help you make the box look however you'd like. Just write to us at support@ecocart.io anytime. And for a helpful bonus tip, I'm going to walk you through hiding the EcoCart product in your catalog. Now, as you might have already noticed, the EcoCart carbon neutral product automatically shows up here in the catalog of your store like this. Now, if you don't want the carbon neutral product in your catalog, then follow these 3 easy steps. So the first is go over to your products, click collections. You're going to create a collection with the title all, if you don't already have this title collection all. Then just create the following rules for this collection. Product price is greater than 0, and product title is not equal to carbon neutral order. Save. Then go to products, carbon neutral order, scroll down to search engine listing preview and edit the SEO. Click into the URL and handle and uncheck create a URL redirect, and then click save. To go back and check, no carbon neutral order. So that's it. You're all done. Your customers can now make their orders carbon neutral when they shop with you. Now, if you ever need help, just write to us at support@ecocart.io, and we can absolutely assist you with the configuration, install, and design. Thank you so much for watching, and we're really excited for you to be a part of the EcoCart community.